Not every WordPress thing are lifted to CDN by W3 total cache, cause a little bit errors appears on your blog. In this demonstration, it is about images which not associated as an attachment of a post, so it isn't available on the CDN Cloudfront in this case.
Have you ever referenced a bunch of newly created assets contained in a custom directory within a WordPress template, page or post, and assumed these assets will be automatically cached by MaxCDN? Or perhaps you've already noticed that they are not being cached, and you're wondering why not. WebExplorer.com. This
The CDN Cloudfront Origin Push option for W3TC is replacing all references to files that aren't mentioned in the default settings. This is causing 403 errors since not all files are being uploaded to the Cloudfront S3.
Now push the Upload Custom Files button, and everything will be fine.
The Export Changed Files Automatically option may processing this upload in the background. Many W3 total cache settings are preset, but not all. I'll walk you through the performance tabs, then help you set up Cloudflare and StackPath. I recommend using both since each one adds more data centers, further reducing the geographic distance between your server and visitor. You can learn more about the rule defined in the homepage of W3 Total Cache homepage. WordPress has a lot of caching plugins available. We recommend using the W3 Total Cache plugin because it gives you granular control over the settings. Optimizing those settings gives you more room to improve performance. The downside is that it's difficult to make it work if you don't know what you are doing. Mythemashop.com